Hello, myself is Samagiri Sudha, Assistant Professor, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukottai. Uh, I'm going to share few points on Internet of Things, IoT. IoT definition, how IoT works, example of Internet of Things, IoT benefits, why IoT is important, IoT applications, challenges, and advantages. Internet of Things is a system interrelated computing device that is used to transfer data over a network. For example, we are transferring information from one to another using social media apps. Next, how IoT works. It works under sensors or devices, connectivity, data processing, user interface. In sensors, the main process is to collect data from the user. Next is connectivity. Connectivity means sending data to cloud. Next, data processing. Data processing is the process of making data useful. Next is user interface. User interface is transferring or delivering information to the user. Next topic is sensors. Sensors are devices are a key component to collect live data from the surrounding environment. For example, Bluetooth sensors we are using, that is used to collect information or live data from the surrounding environment. Next is connectivity. Connectivity is nothing but it is used to collect data is sent to a cloud's infrastructure. These communication mediums include mobile network, satellite network, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WAN. These connectivity devices or mediums used to collect data and transfer in from one to another. Next one is data processing. Data processing is once the data is collected and get into the cloud and it is stored into the cloud. Next one is user interface. User interface is nothing but interface between user and the software or devices. For example, if we installed a camera in the home means, then we have to access video recording through the web server. Example of IoT device. A light bulb can be switched on using a smartphone app in an IoT device. Now we are developing technically faster and faster. So we use a smartphone app to access everything. Next topic is IoT benefits to organization. In organization, IoT is used to provide data productivity, employee productivity, and to save time and money, customer experience, business process, and to make better decisions, and to generate, mainly to generate more revenue in the organization. Next, why IoT is so important? We are in the 21st century. Now we are using 20, almost internet all over the day. So in every day we are using objects such as kitchen appliances, cars, baby monitors, thermostats via internet. Next one is IoT applications. In IoT applications, there are many IoT applications are there. IoT applications include home automation such as smart lighting, smart appliances, intrusion detection, smoke or gas detectors, and IoT applications are applied in cities such as smart parking, smart lighting, smart roads, and also in health monitoring such as surveillance, emergency response. In environment, we are using weather monitoring, air pollution monitoring, noise pollution monitoring, forest fire reduction, river floods detection, and in energy application we are using renewable energy systems, smart grids. These are the examples of IoT applications because we are using internet all over the day, and mainly industry, agriculture, education, logistics, health and lifestyle. Wherever we go, we are using IoT. Next one is advantages of IoT. The main advantage is we are able to access information from anywhere at any time on any device through internet. We are transferring data over internet to save network and money. So finally, these are the advantages of IoT. Next is IoT is a new revolution in the capabilities of the endpoints that are connected to the internet. The scope of IoT is not limited to just connecting things to the internet. IoT allows to communicate and exchange data while executing meaningful application towards a common user or mission goal. Applications on IoT network extract and create information from lower level data by filtering, processing, categorizing, condensing, contextualizing the data. So these are the points about Internet of Things. The applications of internet are a wide range of domains. Thank you.